Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again, Second Shots. Hope so you like our previous video. If you are a newcomer, kindly subscribe to our channel and also share this video to your friends. So let's start today's video. As we discuss, the topic of today's video is disability insurance. So basically, disability insurance is a type of insurance that provides income replacement in the event that policyholder become disabled and unable to work. It is designed to provide financial protection and peace of mind for individuals who may face the risk of disability to illness, injury, or other factors. Disability insurance policies can vary in terms of coverage, premium, and benefits depending on the insurer and the policyholder needs. Some policies may provide short-term disability benefits, while others may provide long-term coverage. The amount of coverage and benefits can also vary, with some policies providing partial income replacement and others providing full replacement. So these are the two main type of disability insurance. Number one is short-term disability, and the number two is long-term disability insurance. So short-term disability insurance basically typically provide coverage for a period of up to 6 months, while long-term disability insurance provides coverage for a longer period of time, typically up to 2 years or more. Now we discuss short-term disability in detail. So basically, this insurance is intended to provide temporary income replacement for individuals who are unable to work due to short-term disability, such as a broken bone of illness. It can provide coverage for a portion of the policyholder's salary, typically up to 60% or 70%, for a period of up to 6 months. Short-term disability insurance policy may have a waiting period before benefits are paid, typically ranging from a few days to a few weeks. Now we will discuss about the long-term disability. In this insurance, the team provides coverage for a long period of time, typically 2 years or more. It is intended to provide income replacement for individuals who are unable to work due to a long-term disability such as chronic illness or injury. Long-term disability insurance policies typically provide coverage for up to 60 to 70% of the policyholder salaries, with some policies providing full income replacement. Long-term disability insurance policies may also have waiting period before benefits are paid, typically ranging from 30 to 90 days. In order to qualify for disability insurance benefit, the policyholder must meet insurer definition of disability. The definition can vary depending on the policy and the insurer, but typically require that the policyholder be unable to perform the duties of their occupations due to illness or injury. Some policies may also require that the policyholder be unable to work in any occupation for which they are reasonably qualified. So the cost of disability insurance, depending on the number of factors including the policyholder age, occupation, health status, and the amount of coverage and benefits provided by the policy. Premium for disability insurance policies may be paid by the policyholder or by their employer as part of benefit packages. So hope so you understand about the disability insurance in detail. If you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel and share this video to your friend. Okay guys, meet you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.